Hello YouTube, Purple Ghost 808 here, and today I'm gonna do a booster pack opening. I'll be opening one Japanese Neo Destiny pack. Only bought one because these are so expensive nowadays. I got this on Amazon around $6 because I had the discount codes for it. Yeah, I think this is a set for this is the sets that gives out the shiny Pokemon. So I never own any of those shinies. So if I pull out a shiny just like right now, that'll be super awesome. Before I open it, just want to go through move my camera a little bit. Go through the front of the pack. So we have Dratini, Noctowl, Celebi, the unknowns. Down here we got Gengar, my mascot. I love this Gengar, and I forgot his name. Not Typhlosion, I forgot his name, but I'm sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to open this really slow because I wanted to save the pack. So here we go. Let's see if I can get it open without destroying the pack. I think opening at the bottom is more easier. Oh, there we go. Very nice. I'm gonna try to keep the artwork. So I think the first one is the holographic, so I'm just gonna leave that on the side until the last part. But first, let me try to open this. Let me try first to take this out. Alright, so there's the cards. First card is the holographic. We'll leave this right here. So here we go. Sorry if I don't know the names. I forgot some of the names and the trainers. I don't know what this is, but there's a cool electric kid over there. Ladybug, Omanite, Togepi. Ooh, that's a nice one. Houndoom. We got this trainer and I don't know what it is. Unknown V, Fappy, and Wigglytuff. Very nice. And our holographic rare is... Are you serious? This is disappointing. But I never had this card, so it's alright. It's some kind of energy card. I was hoping for a Pokemon rare holo, so that'll be it. Alright, peace out guys.